Pontiac fans, here's one for you coming up next at Unique, especially in classics. 1965 Pontiac Gto Convertible. Nice looking drop top here. Now this is a true GTO, and we also have PHS documents on it. So if you would like to see those, you can check them out in the still pictures. Feel free to consult with a sales associate when you call in about them. Just want to let you know we do have the PHS docs. We'll get to that in a little bit. First of all, I want to let you take a good close look at the front of this car so you can see the bright work around the headlights, chrome on the bumper, grille, all very presentable up here. Now as far as the color, I almost kind of call this a cinnamon. It's not really a brown, but it's not a full-fledged burgundy either, and you can see the paint quality on it with the reflection coming off the back wall there. I mean, the paint, it shows nice. But yeah, cool color too. I guess I'm gonna go with cinnamon. It has had a repaint along the way. But yeah, not really a brown and not really a true burgundy or wine color either. So looks like it's got kind of a little metallic in it also. But yeah, cool color. Now, if you want to check out still pictures, you can see the underside, the engine bay, those PHS docs I talked about. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on the classic Krager SS wheels. Now, underneath the hood, this does have the 389 tri-power, and it was a true tri-power car, as well as 4-speed manual car. And that is going to be confirmed by the PHS documents. Also a power top, power steering, power brakes. Of course, here's your 4-speed manual shifter on the center console. Kind of a parchment or ivory interior with burgundy. Nice looking combo, especially with the white vinyl top. And the vinyl top is in nice shape. It is power, like I said, power works, and you'll be able to see that here at the end of this video. I'll run it up for us. I want to show you this too, vanity mirror, and I believe that may have been an option even on the PHS docs. There'll be pictures of the trunk, again, undersides, everything that you'd like to see on this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. FYI, there is a parade boot for it. It was pretty firm or pretty tight as far as when I was putting it on. Probably need to sit out in the sun a little bit, make it a little easier to put on. Car cover, and there is a spare tire cover back here, and that is just a wheel, just a tire. The wheel is not going with it. That is what was in the trunk, just what I pulled out and set on the ground there. That will be included in the purchase price of this car and will be in the trunk. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down this driver's side also. I mean, again, there's a reflection. You can see the showroom behind me. You can see this car is straight also. You got one this long that's got a bunch of body work to it. You're going to see it pretty easy. And again, nice looking paint up and down this side also. Car did have a tune-up. A little carb work, that type of thing, plugs, wires, in 2020, according to the previous owner. And seems to be a real easy starting car, nice running car. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it. We'll check out that engine bay too. Again, kind of that ivory parchment and burgundy interior. Again, tri-power 389. That's what this car would have started its life with, according to the PHS docs. Not representing his numbers. We cannot confirm his numbers matching, so I want you to be aware of that. True GTO. And again, original 4-speed car. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Listen to that rumble. Now that's a good sounding car. It's gonna be a fun one for any of your local cruise-in shows. to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. Once you check out the engine bay, we'll run up that top so you can check that too. So give me a second here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is. There's the tri-power. Again, power steering, power brakes. The aluminum radiator's been added. Smooth runner. Again, tune up in 2020. Just a couple years ago. All right, pause this one more time. I'm going to shut it off, close up the hood, and let's check out that convertible top. So here's the top to take a look at. Like I said, white vinyl. Didn't really notice anything as far as holes, rips, or tears. Rear window, as you can see, clear. Not a problem being able to see through there. Well, maybe just a little bit kind of discolored, if anything. I mean, that's being fussy on this top. But once again, it's going to keep you dry, keep the sun out if you want, and it is power. Power does work on it, but yeah, it's not gonna be full of any imperfections as far as tears, rips, holes, anything like that. It'll serve its purpose. So looking for a nice GTO, and a real one at that. 1965 GTO convertible, true tri-power car and 4-speed manual transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we may have a extended service contract available on this car. You just have to check with your consultant when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.